The mighty wizard Thornhilda McGaskell needs to renew the license on her flying carpet. She reports to the Bureaucracy of Flying Carpet Departments and finds herself before a window. Hello, I'm Thornhilda. I'm here to renew my carpet's license. Oh, yeah. The system says that last year you had some worn-out tassels, Thornhilda. Yeah, so I'm going to need you to present a JITW form in order to renew your flying carpet license. Just pop along to window 1015 and they'll help you out. So Thornhilda tromps along to window 1015. Hi, my name is Thornhilda and I need to renew my carpet's license. I need a JITW form in order to prove that my tassels have been properly repaired. Yeah, sorry about that, but we can only help you on Tuesdays. So you're going to have to go to window 9 in order to get a JITW today. It is Tuesday? Not in Australia, it's not. Off you pop. Window 9. Hi, my name is Thornhilda and I need a new license for my carpet and I need a JITW form so that I can prove that the tassels have been properly repaired. Oh, honey, we only help with those on Saturdays. You need to go to window 2015. They'll help you on Tuesdays. Go on back now. I am so over you people. Fireball! Ma'am, setting fire to the counter won't expedite your application. And I mind the paperwork with the sulfur. It's hell to redo all this. And you don't want that to fall on you. Now, do you?